Oh, okay, I feel terrible. This was not supposed to be this long. So now we've linked up all of our elements and they are clickable. So let's add in our animations. So there are two ways to do animations. You can add animations to everything on your page, so like whole page animations, or you can individually do it. I would recommend just doing whole page animations, but I'll show you both. So if you want to do individual animations, so let's say, and some of you, if you chose one that already had animations, you do not have to add more if you don't want to, or you can add more, you can change them, you can play around with it, do what you want. If you want to just do individual animations, so let's say I wanted to animate this happy birthday. I click the element, I would come here to animate, and then you can see I've got it's on text animations. Let me see what this is. Yep. And then you can see I can click, or just not even click, but I can hover over and see what the different animations do. Again, if I were you, I would do page animations, which is right here. And this will just animate everything on your page. It looks amazing. So let's take a look. So if I just hover over that, you can see simple. That's what that looks like. Sleek. That's what that looks like. Fun. That's what that looks like. So you can scroll down and look at, play around with these different animations. The other thing I just wanted to point out real quick is that you can do them just on entrance, just on exit, or you can do them on both when they enter the screen and when they exit the screen. And you can also kind of play around with speed here. Speed them up or slow them down. And then there's even more under that. And then, or you could also, sorry, my bad, if you want to just choose one set of animations and apply them to everything in your entire presentation, that works too, because you do kind of want to remain consistent. So go ahead, pick your animations, go ahead and put them throughout your presentation, whether you do it slide by slide or whether you just hit apply to all pages. Pause me, and then we'll come back and do transitions, and then we'll be done. So pause me now. Alrighty, last up is your transition. So when you want to add a transition, remember a transition is an effect from when you go from one slide to the next. So all you do is you hover in between two of the slides and you will see these two things pop up. You could either add a page, and of course it just went away. Let me try over here. Or this option here. Come on, bro. Right here. Click add transition. When you click that, here are your options for transitions. They don't have a whole ton, but, and again, you can hover over it and see what it does. Kind of like that chop, flow, stack. So go ahead. Let me just choose one. I'm going to choose this chop. And then, okay, then once you choose your transition, more options appear. You can change the duration, you can change the direction, you can change the origin, and you can hit apply between all pages, which I would recommend since you don't want to have a bunch of different transitions between all of your slides. Less is more here, folks. So go ahead, pause me, choose a transition, one or two. I would not choose a different one for every single one. You could change up like the directions in between each one, like choose the same transition, but like a different direction. That would be kind of cool. Don't choose a whole different transition for everyone. All right, pause me. I'll show you how you can watch it in full screen, and then we'll turn it in when you come back. Pause.